you get the? Where do you buy the chips at?
Chips?
The wood.
Wood? Home Depot.
Home Depot's the best place to get it.
What you got on the grill, Chief?
Huh?
What you got on the grill?
Ribs. My special ribs.
What makes them special?
Made by me. Because I'm special.
You are special.
They're
That is
special
for sure.
because I'm special.
Yes, that's for
I
sure.
can tell you because I ride a little yellow bus.
With the seatbelts or without seatbelts?
Huh?
With seatbelts or without seatbelts?
No seatbelts.
No seatbelts?
I
Okay.
got too hard a head. Don't have to worry about it. All right. Temperature up.